Realistic. And to be realistic, your goal should be possible to achieve and relevant to you. You may ask yourself if this goal is suitable to you from all the aspects. Let's take some examples. Our example, the merchandising company. We said to be actionable, we will sell 1,000 pieces for each month. And now let's say that you only can sell 500 pieces for the first month. So just be realistic with yourself and say that in your goal. And now you are realistic. And if we take the second example with a student who wants to learn English. And here I want to say something. Realistic is not always to have less. Sometimes you may have more, which we will know in this example. You already mastered, or the student may already mastered the first two skills. So, to be more realistic, he should say, I will continue and learn the second two skills, reading and writing. And that's not to waste your effort, time, and resources, and to be more realistic with yourself. Just remember, realistic is just to be realistic, not more or less. See you in the next lecture.